Is arr underscore underscore len underscore underscore the preferred way to get the length of an array in Python? In Python, is the following the only way to get the number of elements? If so, why the strange syntax?
The same works for tuples and strings, which are really just arrays of characters. It was intentionally done this way so that lists, tuples, and other container types or iterables didn't all need to explicitly implement a public .length method. Instead, you can just check the len of anything that implements the magic underscore underscore len underscore underscore method. Sure, this may seem redundant, but length checking implementations can vary considerably, even within the same language. It's not uncommon to see one collection type use a .length method while another type uses a .length property, while yet another uses .count. Having a language-level keyword unifies the entry point for all these types. So even objects you may not consider to be lists of elements could still be length checked. This includes strings, queues, trees, etc. The functional nature of len also lends itself well to functional styles of programming.
Just use len,
The preferred way to get the length of any Python object is to pass it as an argument to the len function. Internally, Python will then try to call the special underscore underscore len underscore underscore method of the object that was passed.
The way you take a length of anything for which that makes sense, a list, dictionary, tuple, string, is to call len on it. The reason for the strange syntax is that internally Python translates len object into object underscore underscore len underscore underscore. This applies to any object. So, if you are defining some class and it makes sense for it to have a length, just define a underscore underscore len underscore underscore method on it, and then one can call len on those instances.
To watch and quick summary and